ETC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, we know that we have been looking for buying. This is what we get. And even if we refer to my last analysis, the price was within here. We mentioned we need to see the breakout of 55.6. There is no much changes because of the divergence. We mentioned we can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. No one see what's the next. Anyway, we start with daily chart. And the only thing is we want to see whether this is the start of the up move or we will be within this correction for one more drop. Mostly we're looking for continuation, but we should know that in the bigger picture, if the price cannot break the lowest price of this correction, which is the support for this correction, mostly we can expect to get one more drop or deeper correction. That means we need to see the breakout of the 56.8 at this point, right? And where the prices are just now it is it's just 53.8 is almost the support for the previous correction. Anyway, we make it that this way that the price have to break the highest price for this correction, which is somewhere, if I move to 1 hour chart, we highlight it, which is somewhere around 55.6. All right, because with the breakout of the 55.6, then we look for the next level based on 4 hour chart, which is 56.8. Right? After the price break the highest price of this correction, which is the support for this one, the first level we look for is 56.8, following by 60.6. That means we need to see the price break this zone for continuation. All right. Now, what's the next and how we can look for the trade? First things, for those traders, they get the trade. Even I highlighted in my last analysis, they need to book their profit. And right now we're looking at this correction. If we get any trade for buy, we will take it. And if this correction turns to a deeper or more complex correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. And how deep it can go in case the price start to drop, we can expect the price drop to 51.4 following by 50. All right. But at this point, if we get any trade setup for buy, we need to see the breakout of the 55.6. And how we can look at this chart, this correction. All right, we are not going to into the details because the ways move is very corrective. The only thing is whether we put this one as a flat for one move up. If the price continue from here, there is a possibility the price tag following by divergence for one more drop. That's why we prefer the price start to drop from here and this one turn to a flat. All right, as we know, we have different type of the flat. At least the price retest the previous. So the first things, if there is a reversal, at least we can look for sharp move flag. But if the price continue from here, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup unless we put our entry above here. And having entry above here, in case the price sharply break and continue. And how about if the price tag and following by a divergence and it's reject? That's why if we wants to have a entry above here, somewhere around 55, if the price tag, we see the price couldn't break 55.6 within the first or maximum second hours, you are not going to keep the trade. All right. That's why we prefer this one drop somewhere around 52 or 51.4. And at that time, so you can look at this one as a first wave. And we consider and this one as a 1, 2, 3 to look for the reversal. This is the best option we can look for. Anyway, still we can look for continuation. The only thing is if I move to 4 hour chart with the breakout of the 55.6, we're looking at the 56.8 following by 60.6. So we need to see the breakout of this zone. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.